Hi, I'm Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. Today I'm going to be showing you our floral pruning shears. We like to use these for precision work, such as working with bonsais, harvesting individual flowers, leaves, anything that requires very precise cutting. Our floral pruning shears have stainless steel blades which are razor sharp. They are ergonomically designed so that makes them very comfortable in the hand. They have soft handles, and again, we like them for precision cutting. Your index finger would go right through the finger holder like this, and that still allows you to work within the plant or cutting while the tool hangs on your hand. Right now, I'm going to be harvesting some sage leaves, which we'll be cooking with later on this evening. These are fantastic fried in butter. They become crisp and absolutely delicious. As you can see, coming in as I'm cutting these chive blossoms, the cuts are very exact, very precision-like, and very easy to do with these floral pruning shears. At the end of use, you can just close the lock and they can be put away. These are our floral pruning shears. They're fantastic. These can be purchased on our website, www.wildflower-seed.com. Thank you and happy gardening.